In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a decline field action in DocuSign. We'll walk through the full process of creating an envelope, uploading a document, placing the decline field, and making sure it's assigned correctly before sending everything out. This is useful when you want a recipient to have a clear, built-in option to decline the document directly within the signing experience. To begin, log into DocuSign and click Start. This is the main entry point for creating a new sending workflow, and it will take you to the options for what you want to prepare. Next, choose Envelope. This tells DocuSign that you want to create a standard envelope for sending documents out for signature or review. After that, select Get Signatures. This option is the one you'll typically use when your document needs recipient interaction, including signing or other field-based actions. Now upload the document where you want to add the decline action. Make sure you're choosing the correct file, since this is the version recipients will see. Once the upload is complete, you'll be ready to define who is receiving it. Enter the recipient's name and email address. At this stage, be careful to add the correct recipient, because the decline field will need to be assigned to the right person later on. When that's done, click. Next, to open the document preparation screen. This is where you can place fields and customize the recipient experience. From the Fields panel, select the Decline Field action. This is the specific field you'll use to allow a recipient to decline the document as part of the workflow. Then drag the decline field onto the document where you want the recipient to decline the document. Place it somewhere clear and easy to find so the recipient understands it's available. Good placement helps avoid confusion during signing. Once the field is on the page, make sure the decline field is assigned to the correct recipient. This is important, especially if your envelope includes more than one recipient. If it's assigned incorrectly, the intended person may not be able to use it. Take a moment to review the decline field. Check that it's positioned correctly and assigned to the intended recipient. This final review helps catch small mistakes before the document is sent out. When everything looks right, click Send to send the document. Your envelope will then be delivered with the decline field included for that recipient. And that's it. You've successfully added a decline field action in DocuSign and sent your envelope. Thanks for watching.